Let's take a look at its features. Unlock your door with ease using any of the 5 methods available: fingerprint recognition, RFID cards, Bluetooth, USB unlock, or optional Wi-Fi connection with a separate Wi-Fi box. Reliable fingerprint recognition. Smart lock correctly recognizes registered fingerprint up to 98% of the time when your finger is placed correctly on the scanner. So your fingerprint is your key. WELOCK Fingerprint Smart Lock recognizes your fingerprint in just 0.5 seconds and unlocks your door in only 1 second. It's faster than fumbling for your keys. Safety and reliability are paramount. This smart lock can withstand extreme temperatures from -25 to 60 degrees Celsius and is IP65 waterproof rated. Plus, with electrostatic protection up to 30,000 volts, you can rest assured knowing your home is secure. Control from anywhere using the WELOCK app and unlock or lock your doors from anywhere. Just tap of a button on your smartphone. All unlock records will be synced to the WELOCK app, so you can see exactly what has been entering your home and when. The WELOCK Smart Lock gives you complete control over your home security, all right from your phone, and never worry about battery life again with the low battery reminder feature. And with a lifespan of up to 1 million cycles, this lock is built to last. With AAA batteries, you can lock or unlock your door up to 8,000 times, with 10 opening or closing operations per day. That means you can expect 1 year of runtime from each battery set. If your lock runs out of power, don't fret. You can use a portable charger to unlock your door until you can replace your batteries. So in summary, the WELOCK Fingerprint offers effortless access with its 5-in-1 keyless unlocking system, including fingerprint recognition, RFID cards, Bluetooth, and USB unlock. Its easy installation, wide door compatibility, and durable design ensure hassle-free use. With features like weather resistance, low battery reminder, and 2-year guarantee, it provides reliable security and convenience.